If you were to ask me what it feels like to ride a board you made, I can't describe it. You just got to do it. What I find most fulfilling about making the skateboards is being able to contribute to skateboarding, even if it's just a small sliver. What we're doing here is it's in a backyard. It's done with minimalistic equipment. It's done by recycling materials to make our own tools. It's just different. Having my family support is dope. My wife helps out with marketing and merchandise, and she's always coming up with ideas. And then my daughter is always down to help me screen print. My son, he helps me sandboards. And my dad, if it wasn't for my dad, we would have never pressed a board. I would have never learned how to use a tool. We wouldn't have Manak Skates if it wasn't for my dad. Hands down. The feeling you get when you make a skateboard by hand, I guess I'd compare it to making anything by hand, the gratification that you took something and turned it into something else. It's nothing like it, man. Just being able to ride something you created is sick.